Good morning, my super babies. It's 7 o'clock, and I need to keep my pieces of amla outside because I'm going to be making amla juice. I'll take two of them. And I got up at 6:45 actually because I had ordered chicken breast from Licious. So that came in and I have to marinate this in some time. After keeping the amla outside for an hour, I washed it well, chopped it, and I'm going to be adding 10 ml of water in this, blending it well, then straining it with a muslin cloth, and then drinking it up. Here is my amla juice. Drinking amla juice after a really long time. So let's see how it is now. It's the same. I try to drink vegetable juices or fruit juices as soon as possible, like within 5 minutes of making it. I was chopping some vegetables, but I thought let's read some newspaper. So I just got done with my batter for the breakfast. This is oats chila. So this has 1 cup of oats, which I grinded it into fine powder, and it has 1/4 cup of besan. And I grated in some carrots, beetroots, and I put in some finely chopped onions, pink salt, and a little bit of haldi and a little bit of cumin powder, roasted cumin powder. But before I start with this, I want to drink 1 liter of water and then I'll make this. So this is my oats chila and I'll be having 2 of them. This serves 4, so I'll make this for someone else. So I'm trying oats chila for the first time. Let's see how it is. Okay, like bhajia. But I added in very less salt because I like to consume less salt. Not bad. I just got done with marinating my chicken. So this is 180 grams of boneless chicken breast. So in a blender I added in a bunch of coriander leaves with 2 cloves of garlic, an inch of ginger. Then I blended it well, and then in this I marinated it well. I added in half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a little bit of pink salt. Mixed it well, and now I'm keeping this for marination and I'll have it for lunch. These are the remaining 2 chilas which my brother will have, so mom is packing it for him. So now I'm making the Karela bhaji which I'm going to be having for lunch. I'll be adding in 1 small chopped onion with a little bit of cumin powder, coriander powder, and then salt. Lastly, 50 grams of Karela which has been peeled and chopped. And now I added in a teaspoon of ghee. So once this is turned a little brown, I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Just going to cook this a little bit and then add the Karela. Now I'll just cook this so it's nice and tender. Adding in this much pink salt. I'm going to be adding in little water and then covering it and cooking. The Karela looks like squid, and I'll imagine that only and try to consume this. So guys, it's time for my lunch. This is pumpkin rice, this is the chicken which I marinated in the morning, and this is Karela bhaji, and this chicken is still grilling or cooking, whatever you want to call it. I'm so hungry, so let this cook. I'm going to start eating. Protein shake prior to my workout. So guys, now it's dinner time. I worked out for an hour, more than an hour actually. So now I just marinated this fish. Each is 100 grams. I'm going to just be having 1 of them. I marinated with a teaspoon of mustard sauce, mustard dressing from Viva, and a little bit of half a teaspoon of Viva roasted sesame. just marinated with these two. And I blended in about 20 almonds with a little bit of white pepper powder and seasonings like this one, little bit. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat the fish with this. Preheating the air fryer. I'm going to season this with a little bit of ghee and then place the fish with the coating. So in another pan I added in about half a teaspoon of ghee. In fact, I guess lesser than half a teaspoon. I chopped in 3 cloves of garlic. I'll wait for this to become golden brown. Meanwhile, I'll wash my spinach. Here my garlic is getting burned. Just add in 2 spinach leaves. Let it just cook a little bit. So my air fried, baked, whatever. Fish is ready and I'm really hungry. Hope it tastes good. This is the first time I'm trying all this, guys. I'll have all that also if you can do it. That's all. Amen. Hey babies, just got done with my dinner and trust me, today was amazing. I mean, I was very skeptical as to what the food is going to taste like because the first time I'm making all this. It is like told to me to have this. I'll talk about that later after I finish my challenge. I was like really skeptical, but the food turned out really good. Even the lunch was amazing because the procedure, as you've seen, is so simple. So you're a little doubtful, like a little dicey, like whether it will be like tasty or not, but it was amazing. I loved it. The fish turned out so good. That almonds and that crust was so freaking good. It was really, really good. What happened is before, like in the afternoon, I had to take my mom to the diabetologist. So we had to travel quite far for that. So before traveling, I ate 2 bananas. That was around 11 o'clock. And then I came back and had my lunch. So I hope you liked today's vlog. And if it is good, please let me know. And yeah, I'll see you later in another video very soon. Bye bye.